tint aisle. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lily for those of you who are new here. I hope everyone's doing well. And in today's video, I want to show you guys how I tint my eyebrows. If you want to see how I do that, then just keep watching. I love doing this, especially when I know I'm going swimming or if I'm going on vacation. It's just so much easier to do this than having to worry about them coming off in the pool. I've been doing this for quite a few years. I haven't had any allergic reactions or anything to the product that I use, and I just love it. I am chicken when it comes to getting like microblading. No one has ever touched my eyebrows. I never got them professionally waxed, Kelly Clarkson, tweezed, threaded, nothing. I have tweezed them since I was in high school, and I've just continued to do so myself. So the thought of someone else doing it freaks me out. So this is, I guess, the closest thing I'll get to having eyebrows for at least a week. And of course, if you put product on it and you use makeup remover or you're constantly washing your face, then it will fade a lot faster. But other than that, I would say for like a week it'll stain or it'll tint my eyebrows, and it also tints the skin under the eyebrows, so it also helps makes it look fuller. And yeah, but if you're going swimming and it's like you're in the pool every single day that you're on vacation, it'll definitely fade a lot faster. So sometimes I even take it with me and I'll touch up while I'm at the hotel. So let me show you the product. This is it. I don't know how to say it. Godefroy, Godfrey, Godfroy, I don't know. Godefroy tint kit. And I got it in natural black. And it has everything you need in here. A little goes a long way for me, I feel. So inside, you get developer. These little bags filled with pills. Looks a little sus. And it comes with this little cuppy thing. And a brush. The brush is not bad. It also comes with these little sticks in case you, I think, mess up and you need to scrape it away. I usually use Q-tips for that. But I actually get a few uses out of each capsule. I don't use the whole capsule. I just don't feel like it's necessary. Let me go ahead and show you. So usually when I do this, it's toward the end of the day and I just happen to look in the mirror, and if it's a good eyebrow day, most likely I'll do it. So today I just did like a very light shading in my eyebrows. Because I did still have the tint from last week, just a smidgen. So usually what you would want to do is just, either outline or lightly color in your eyebrows. So I'm going to go ahead and open up. This is the capsule I used. I used a few times already, but last week when I did it, I think I used more than I realized. And so what's left in this one is not very much. So I will use what's left. And I'll probably have to open up another one because I don't think that'll be enough. And I don't really measure it out. I don't like it too thick or too watery. Just in the middle is perfect. However, I have used it when it's very thick, and I also have used it when it's very thin. If it's very thin, I feel like you won't get as dark as an application. And the other one is way too dark. Like you'll get a very dark application. So that's why I like it right in the middle. But either one I don't mind dealing with. Ooh, that one was full, sorry. Sheesh. Hey. So, wow, that's a lot. It's probably the most I've ever used. But just to show you, that's that's that. And I will take the developer. A little bit in there. Okay. Mix that up. I'm actually gonna use one of these sticks to mix it up. And then depending on the consistency, you can add more developer or add more powder, whichever one you feel you need more of. I usually do this in my bathroom and it comes out really well, but I couldn't film in the bathroom. The echo and have a loud ass clock in there. You can hear the clicking of the hand, whatever. It's like, and I could move it from the bathroom, but still it's not a good setup for me. So I am doing it in a different location of my house. I hope I can see it properly. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you could really tell. Dip the brush that it comes with in there. Wipe off the sides so it's not like dripping. I like to put a thick layer on so I can't see through it, just to make sure it's covered and there's no holes. If you move quickly with this, it won't stain your skin, but if you let it sit and then try to wipe it off after a few minutes, it's too late. That's the only thing I don't like about this thick ass brush, is that when you go to do the tail ends, it should be super thin and I can't really get it. There. And as you get toward the front, you know, I don't want it to look blocky. I want it to look like a faded look when I'm done. But I know it's hard to do it with this because it looks thick and blocky. So I'll leave it on for just a couple of minutes and then I will brush it off with a Q-tip and I'll show you when that time comes. And again, I've never had any allergic reactions or anything like that, but you want to make sure that you test somewhere on your body, on your skin, small little section, just to make sure that you don't have an allergic reaction. I don't rinse out this little cup until I rinse this off, because sometimes I will take this off and then I'll see some spots that are, you know, a little lighter or whatever, and I'll just go back and touch up a little, so that way you don't have to create a whole new batch. All right, so as you can see, they're looking pretty dark. And actually I don't mind, again, if it's too light or too dark. If it's too light, you have a good base for the powder. If you do that, or a pencil, you'll just have a better outline anyway. And then if it's too dark, you can always lighten it up with some foundation or whatever, so it's not that serious. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit. Let's see what the instructions say, how long to leave it, because sometimes I forget that it's on there. But my eyebrows don't fall off or anything, so I don't think it's that strong. Okay, so for natural black, it says 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. I leave it on a lot longer than 3 minutes. But if this is your first time, I would, you know, follow these as closely as you can. But I've never had any issues, and I think maybe it's because I like it to tint my actual skin underneath, not just the hairs, because I don't really even have that many hairs. So yeah. But I could tell this part is already crusty, so I'm gonna take a Q-tip and I'm just taking off that color, pushing the color toward the eyebrow, so that will lighten it up in the front parts. I have a little bowl here with hot water in it and some cotton balls, and it's been, I don't know, maybe 8 minutes now. So you could tell it's getting really hard and it's kind of turning white, and that's usually my indicator to let me know that it's time to take them off. So I'm gonna let them rock just a little longer, and then we will take it off and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip the cotton ball in the hot water, which is not hot anymore. And if your cotton ball is soaking wet, then the tint's gonna run down your face, so if you don't wet it too much, you just dab it. That's it. See? Tinted. And this is actually not as dark as I like it most of the time, but it will do. I will take it. This will last a few more days, and I'll give my eyebrows a break, I guess. Not that they're suffering or anything. I mean, besides the lack of hair. Close up. Looks like I, you know, used powder on them or something. But yeah, so I think this is amazing. And like I said before, I've been doing it for years now. Maybe one day I will get the microblading done, but for now, this is my go-to. It's very inexpensive. I will leave all the information in the description box below. I hope if you guys give this a try that you love it as much as I do. I want to thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.